listen to form in our Express. Okay, how to listen to form? We're going to show you how to listen to a form today, how to pick data from the form today. Now, to do that, we need to create a client side. Okay, we're using EGS, embedded JavaScript for our client side. Okay, and then we need to install body parser, what is called body parser. Body parser is used to have access to the request body. That means you can get data from the client side either in strings or in JSON format. If you check right here, I have my body parser installed already right here. Okay, we have body parser, yeah, right here. Is it here? Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Very easy. To install body parser, just head on to your terminal, which is the Termux. You can stop this from running by clicking Ctrl C. Okay, then type cd. Okay, so you just type npm install body parser. Yeah, because I have it installed already, I will not do that. Body parser. So once you are done, just click on enter to install for you, and then you open your eCode app. Then head on to your package.json file. You will see it right here, body parser ready. So we don't need to install it again. Now we only need to do is to call that body parser here. So constant, say bp, let's take bp as our body parser, equals to require body parser. Okay, yeah, require that body parser. All right, so we've created the instance of that Express. First of all, we have Express also installed. If you check your package.json, you have Express installed. Can you see? First of all, Express installed. Yes. So now we need to create our client side. How where we get our data from. So still inside that Express API that we have here, folder. So create a new file, new folder. Sorry, we call it clients. Yeah, call it clients. Okay. So inside this clients, I'm going to create a file called. You're going to create a home page. It is home.egs. Inside our client folder, can you see it now? Home.egs. Now egs is an embedded JavaScript where you can use in writing client side. Okay, and then we're going to write the page where we access our form. So a new file inside our client again. So new file which is form.js. Yeah. So sorry. How to do this? Form.egs. So now to access our EGS also, we have to install EGS. If you check, I have EGS installed already. My package of JSON. EGS, yeah, right here. The same format. Go into your Tamux app. Just type npm install EGS, and that's all you need. And you find it right here when you open it. Okay, so we have to call that also. Const. Or you don't even need to call it. You just need to use it here. So app.set. So we have to set it here. That's we have view engine. View engine. Now view engine is going to be EJS. Yeah, that's all. And it uses it automatically. Okay, very good. So inside here we don't need to send this whenever we go to this slash route. Let's call it slash home. Let's call our route slash home. That's you enter you head on to this local 7000 slash home. You have access to it. So slash, now we are going to use rest dot render. What are we rendering? We want to render that EGS from the home.egs. So we want to render it. So we have to add on this. Our home.egs is right here inside this client folder. Okay, so I have to add on into it. So we have dot slash clients, then slash. Now we have inside that client we have home.egs and we have home.egs. So we have slash home. So there's no the writing home.egs. It recognizes it already since our view engine is EGS. So client slash home, very good. So now what I will do now to save. So once I save it, I go into my EGS file. Now create normal HTML content. HTML. I can write H1 welcome. Let's see if it's working already. So save. Now go to our terminal. CD into that Express API again because that's where we are running our file. So Express API. Okay, and write node, the name of the file, main. Main, that's the main file. Okay, you click on it. Yeah, no, we have 7000 running. Okay, so what we do now is head on to this same Chrome. So right, localhost 7000. Then if you run this, it won't work. Okay, let's refresh. Localhost 7000. Okay, we still have API. Let's refresh, open it again. Right here. Okay, I don't know why it's still running, but now let's head on to slash home. Yeah, can you see welcome? So this welcome is coming from our EGS home.egs file. This client where we want to render just here now, which is from here. Welcome. Okay, very good. We are going to create a link here. Which is, let's say, register. So this register we are going to have an href. This href will be going to slash form. Okay, refresh. So reload again. Control C. Node name. Yeah. So local 7000 slash home. Yeah, so see I have welcome and it is register link. When I click on it, cannot get slash form. Why? Because I've not created this route for that form. So head on here, I have to create it also. So the same way I created this for this, I have to create for this also. So what we have at this route will be dot form. Yeah, so not home again, since we have form file inside here, form.egs, so slash form. Now we're going to have here. Yeah. So inside that I can copy this. Okay, copy this and paste it inside this form.egs, and I write register. Okay, let's see if that's working. Head on to my terminal, Control C, node name. And here we have local 7000 slash home. Yeah, right here. When you click register, it takes us, can you see that's, you check here now, the URL has changed. We have slash form already, which is this register. Okay, now let's create our form under this register page. So form, yeah. So now this form we have a method of post. We're going to create our API also out to our method in the Node.js backend relating to this method. So this method we have post, okay, and then action. I'm going to slash form. Okay, we have inputs. Yep, on this input we have placeholder telling us that this is the name. Now what type of data? Not text. Excuse me, text. Okay. Then this input right here also, which will be the type of submit. Okay. So if we long press this play button here, you're going to see yeah, it's going to display. Okay. Now back here, if I add on to this and I restart again, node name. Okay, we have it running. Now if I open my terminal here, I have locals this, then I click here, local 7000 slash home right here. Click on this register, it takes me here. Automatically have this page running. Now if I click on anything, let's say Android folders, click submit, you say cannot post form. Why? Because I've not created the route for post. Right, I'll listen to that post method. So after post, so since it's listening to where our form is accepting from, our action is going to slash form. So we have post then slash form. Yeah, we have our request response. Sorry, I forgot this. Yeah, so now automatically we have our request body already. Okay, that's our request body. We have only one thing, which is this input tag. Now to accept that in our request body, you have to give it a name. So name, let's say user name. And whatever I type in that name here can be structured from the, it's automatically saved in the request body. So I have to call it out by destructuring it. So you can destructure it, you can say constant username from the request dot body is where it's stored automatically. Okay, So console the log that username. Whenever we submit, okay, and then respond to send new user. Yeah, so head on to our terminal again, Control C, node main, and here again we have go to local 7000 home, click on the register button. So right here I can write Android coders submit. Okay, so you count the structure property username as it is undefined. It's undefined. Okay, let's check where this fault is coming from. Username. Okay, let's see where that's coming from. Let's write it like try catch block. Try catch. So paste it here. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, yeah, it's not working because we actually haven't. Yeah, let me undo this. Yeah, this is back again. It's not working because I've not used this body parser already. Okay, I've not passed it. App.use. So we're going to use this body parser dot JSON like this. Yeah, and then app.use body parser dot URL encoded. URL encoded. Yeah. Then that's some options. Then extended. True. Yep. Just like that. So now head on to our server and then run it again. Hope what I'm typing is not wrong. So it should be like this, I think. So back here. So we have node main for the password duplicated. Undefined. Let's cut that again. I think we have a wrong. I think we have a wrong spelling. Yeah, extended, not extended. So save by clicking this. Yeah, so save. Can you see saving already? So head back on. So say node main. Yeah, so it's not showing that again. To Chrome, we have localhost. So because we didn't pass our body password, that's why I didn't pick it up from there. So we have this register click. So if I type any name here, Android coders submit it. Yeah, so it's taking notes now. So can you see new user? And if I go here, it will log that name for me. That's username that will be structured Android coders. So that's the way to listen to form. First of all, we have to install this here body parser. Okay, by clicking npm install body parser, then we create our home page, then our form page also, and then the post request to listen to information that is coming from the post method right here. Okay, and then the structure that usernames. Okay, whatever form you have here, whatever input you have here, any name you give to it will be stored. Any name you give to it, like here we have the username, any name you give to it will be stored automatically in the request body. If I type here now, if I come here, I copy this and I paste it here, placeholder, let's say this one is for sports, or sports the person like doing. I come here, I type name sports. So this sport that I write in this name is what's going to be structured. So if I come here, this main now, right, and I structure the username and the sport also. Sport. I can also console the log sport. So sports here, right? Sorry. Okay, save it. I don't this control C node main again. Oh, sorry, it's not correctly spelled. I wrote main. So node main. So this node main now, I don't write here. So local 7,000 slash home. Click on register. Can you see we have two forms now? Name. Our sport here is programming. So click on submit. Can you see it takes us here? New user added. Let's check our console. Can you see we have Android coders and programming? Those are the two things that we wrote. We picked up them which are coming from here. This request body. So we structured the username and the sports from the request body, and then console the name and console the sports which appeared here. Yeah, Android users, Android coders and programming. Then we have response send. Yeah, new user added, which is what popped up here. New user. Okay, so comment and let me know what you feel about this. If you have any question, thank you.